so today we will see the examples of the trigonometric functions of multiple angles. So take the problem. Show that in trigonometry most of the problems are on prove that 1 minus cos theta 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to tan square theta Now this is very simple. Okay, solution. We'll take LHS now. Okay, so take LHS. So LHS is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. See, this is 1 minus cos. Or 1 plus cos is there. If 1 minus cos is there, always write 2 sine square. Always write what? Always write 2 sine square. Right? Whatever the angle, take its half now. Take its half. So this is what? Sine square theta by 2. Right? If 1 plus cos is there, always write 2 cos square. Always write 2 cos square. Whatever the angle, take its half. Oh, this is what? 2 theta. So this will be what? Theta now, not theta by 2. Right? This is theta now. Because there is 2 theta. And half of that one it will be theta now. Right? Now 2 get cancelled. So sine square theta upon cos square theta. This will be your tan square theta. Right? So again this problem becomes very simple if you know the formula. Right? Then and then only you can solve, right, the problems. Right? Easily you can kill this problem within a 30 seconds. Right? So 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta is, right? If there are 4 options, easily you can write this. What? In oral you can do actually this is what? 2 get cancelled, sine square upon cos square, this is what? Tan square. So tan square theta. Where is tan square theta? Just tick, just kill that option. Easily you can kill this problem. But if you know the formula, then and then only you can kill the problems. Okay, next. Show that sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x is equal to 0. Okay. So it is what? Only one option is there. You have to take the LHS now. So what we'll do? We'll take LHS now. Take LHS. We'll open the bracket. So this is equal to what? Sin 3x sin x plus sin square x. What? The answer is what? 0. That means what? We must get a term, right, which are equal but opposite. So that is our aim now. Plus cos 3x cos x minus cos square x. Now see, this term and this term, angle of sine and angle of cos are same, but both cos are together and both sin together. And the sine is what? So I will write in bracket now. This is what? Cos 3x cos x plus sin 3x sin x plus, instead of plus I will take, this is minus cos square x, right? I will take minus sign common there. And just I will write this as what? Cos square x minus sin square x. Right? So I will take minus sign common so that I get the direct formula. Now what is this? This is what? Cos of a minus b. This is the formula for cos of a minus b. And for cos of a minus b, right? B minus a, whatever this. You can take any a, you can take any b. Doesn't matter this. So we take a greater angle as a and a smaller angle as b now. So that this is what 3x minus x. Now see this is the expansion of cos 3x minus x now, right? And that will be your what? Cos of twice x. This is the formula for cos twice x. Now this is what? Cos twice x minus cos twice x. So this is 0. Right? Easily we get this, right? So we have to apply the formula in the both the ways, right to left, left to right also. We apply this formula for right to left, right? Next, show that cos x minus cos y bracket square plus sin x minus sin y bracket square is equal to 4 cos square x plus y upon 2. Okay, so again it is better to take LHS now. Okay, so we'll take LHS now. Take LHS. So I will keep this as it is. So just erase this one. Okay, so this is take LHS now. LHS is equal to. Okay, so what we'll do? We'll expand and see what happened then. Right? This is what cos square x plus sin square x plus cos square y plus cos square y minus 2 cos x cos y plus sin square x plus sin square y minus 2 sin x sin y. Right? Now see, cos square x is there, cos square x is sin square x is there. Right? Cos square x plus sin square x, these two terms will be as a single term now, that is 1. Again, this cos square y is there, sin square y is there. Right? So this is what 1 plus 1 is 2 now, right? So this is 2. Then what I will do? I will take the minus side, minus 2 common from this one, right? We will take minus 2 common. So this is what? Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Now this is the formula for cos of x minus y or y minus x. Now see which angle you want in the RHS, x minus y or y minus x. Right? So that is what you want, x minus y. Yes? Is it x minus y? What is your angle in the RHS? RHS is what? Okay, so this is x plus y. Where we made a mistake. Okay, doesn't matter, keep this as it is. Okay, so this is what is 2 minus 2. This is what is, just will write as it is now. This is what? Cos of x minus y. Okay, there may be printing mistake, that we will see later on this. So this is what? 2 1 minus cos of x minus y, right? Okay, now 1 minus cos is there. So how we write? This is what? 2. So if 1 minus cos is there, just write 2 sin square. Okay? And take the half of the angle. This is what? X minus y upon 2. So this is what? 4 sin square x minus y upon 2. What you want in RHS? This is what? Cos square. So something is wrong. Cos x minus cos y plus sin x minus sin y bracket square is equal to 4 is equal to 4 cos square Okay, just correct that one. This is what, just show that, correct the problem now. This is what, show that 4 sine square x minus y upon, okay, so what is your answer there? 4 cos square x plus y. Okay, so cos x square plus y, your answer should be this. No, correct that one. That is wrong now. Okay, this will be correct. And what we do? Okay, so we'll take the problem for this one. That, so that problem what we have to do, plus sign now. Show that cos x plus cos y, we'll write here plus now. Okay, now here we'll write, here we'll write, here also we'll write plus now. Show that this is equal to 4 cos square x minus y upon 2 now. Okay, on the same way we'll prove this one on the same line now. So we'll take LHS. We'll take LHS. Take LHS. So this is what, cos square x plus cos square y plus 2 cos x cos y plus sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x sin y. Okay, now again this is what, cos square x sin square x, this will be 1, cos square y plus sin square y, it will be 1, right? So 1 plus 1 is 2 now, and I will take the 2 common from that one. So cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, so this is what, 2 plus 2, this is what, cos of x minus y. Again I will take 2 common, so 1 plus cos of x minus y. So 2. What is this? This is 1 plus cos. If 1 plus cos is there, just write 2 cos square, right? And divide the angle by 2 now, right? Divide by 2 to the angle. This is what then, x minus y upon 2, right in bracket. So it will what, 4 cos square x minus y upon 2, right? So this is your RHS now. It will be your RHS, right? So we are through now. Okay, so next, show that tan x, see this is what, tan x plus cot x now. Tan x plus cot x is equal to 2 cosec twice x. 2 cosec twice x. So we'll take LHS. And that is cosec, means sine, right? So your RHS is what, in terms of sine now. That means what, we'll do this cos and tan and cot in terms of sine and cos now. Okay, so solution, take LHS. LHS is equal to tan x plus cot x. We write in terms of sine and cos now. So this is what, sin x upon cos x upon sin x. We'll do the addition by cross multiplication. So what we get, sin square x plus cos square x upon cos x sin x, right? So this is 1, right? So I will write first sin x, cos x. So what I will do, I know the formula for 2 sin x cos x. So 2 is not there, I will add this 2. I will divide and multiply by 2. So this is what, 2 upon 2 sin x cos x. Now your 2 sin x cos x is what? This is the formula for sin twice x, but 1 upon sin twice x is nothing but cosec twice x. So this is what? 2 cosec twice x. Okay, so this will be your RHS. So you are through. Okay, so I think it is enough. Okay, we'll stop here.